This individual is addicted to food. They want to lose weight. Title speaks for itself. 23-year-old male, 230 pounds, 3-year relationship at the beginning of 2024. Before I was dating, I was 180. Okay, so 50 pounds. Missed the way I used to look, and I want to lose this weight so badly and gain muscle. Just feel like I'm not an eyes on a woman. Gain back my confidence. During the day, count my calories, but always mess up at night. Love lifting. Feel myself always giving in to shit food. Ruins all my progress and made during the day. Okay, so your food environment probably isn't the best if you're giving into shit food. And if you're doing this, first look around your home. Simple thing is, if you don't bring it into your home, you won't be tempted to get it or tempted to, eat it. However, on the flip side, if you're out and about all day and you don't have time to eat healthy, that's also a time where you might get into not the best of food. So if either of those circumstances are in your life, and I'm guessing one of them is, trying to plan ahead for those times where you might be tempted, maybe where you're out at work or something, and you want a little bit healthier options, pack some lunches. It's like going back to school. But this is what a lot of people do who are in the fitness industry. Like, you'll probably be at work and people will be going to the food court and stuff, and then Sally pulls out a salad and a chicken breast every day, and you're like, look at her, you're like, what? There's pizza right there. No, but the thing about this is, once you start eating healthier, it is tough at first, but your body will start to crave the healthier foods over the unhealthier foods. And I'll tell you for myself, if I had only unhealthy foods or only junk foods all the time, I feel awful. On vacations, the only thing I'm looking forward to at the end of the vacation is going home and eating a freaking salad, because I've already had so much quote unquote unhealthy food the whole time. Yes, I do like pizza and I have pizza on occasion, but most of my diet is pretty clean. And when you eat that way, your body will want to eat more that way. Right now, you're eating in a not the best way, and your body still, even though you know you don't want to, your body still wants to, because that's what it's used to. So there is going to be some growing pains on this, and since you've already been at a decent weight, you probably know what you need to do. But I think there's just this unconscious pattern that's going on where you keep shooting yourself in the foot with overeating on whatever, and you make yourself feel bad about it, and then you just say it's useless. Think about the times you were successful. Think about the times you were feeling good about yourself. You were able to handle a diet really good, and it was no problem. What were the things you were doing? How was your lifestyle back then? And try to incorporate a few of those things. And I think that would give you a lot more confidence to also build a little bit more pattern. And a lot of people mess up at night. This is a thing. I get cravings at night too. And I think finding lower calorie options for nighttime cravings is especially good for desserts. Desserts at night, that's bad for me. So I would always have like sugar-free Jell-O and sugar-free puddings, low-calorie ice creams. Cereal actually is one thing I really like to curb a sweet tooth. Just like Trix or something. It has very little fat, and it actually has basically no fat. It's only carbs. It's pretty sugary. Gets my sugar fix in, almost like a dessert, but it's really not that many calories in the grand scheme of things. 2 servings of cereal isn't that bad. Yeah, we'll end that with that.